Good morning, it's March the 11th, 2010, and this is your daily outlook. German, French and Italian industrial production show Europe is recovering from recession. Another quiet trading session yesterday in the States with no major economic reports released. No official statements on monetary policy communicated. The main report yesterday was the weekly crude oil inventories, which came in below expectation at 1.4 million barrels. Although the report did cause a bout of volatility in the price of oil by the end of the session, crude closed almost unchanged at $81.50. Two-year treasuries traded above 0.90 and the dollar-yen tracked this gain and traded back up to 90.81. Focus turns to initial jobless claims today, expected at 460,000. In Europe yesterday, we saw both the French and Italian industrial production reports significantly beat expectations by coming in at 1.6% and 2.6%. Taking into consideration Germany's positive industrial production numbers the day before, we can assume the Eurozone is undergoing a meaningful economic recovery. In regards to the Greek issue, Prime Minister Papandreou said that the EU has figured out a way to reduce Greek borrowing costs and also said that the European Union may intervene if borrowing costs do not fall. Euro-dollar price action yesterday was between 135.40 and 136.80. In New Zealand yesterday, we had the Reserve Bank rate decision followed by a rate statement. The rate stayed unchanged at 2.50%, however the market was anticipating a rather hawkish statement which failed to materialise. The Kiwi dollar subsequently traded lower at 69.72 from a 70.95 high just before the announcement. In China overnight we had CPI figures released and it showed that inflation hit a 16-month high. Industrial production and new loans also beat estimates, further adding pressure to China to tighten its current monetary policy. So today the market turns its focus to international trade for January, expected to come in at minus 41 billion, and jobless claims for the week expected to come in at 460,000. Jobless claims will be an important indicator for the next non-farm payroll report, given the expectation of job creation in March payroll report. Currencies to watch out for: euro-dollar and the dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 136.80, with a preference to enter into short positions at 136.70. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 90.75, with a preference to enter into short positions at 90.70. Today's calendar and market movers: US international trade for January expected at minus 41 billion, and US initial jobless claims for the week expected at 460,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday, with the Dow closing at 0.03% and the SP 500 at 0.45%. The European bourses were positive yesterday, with the FTSE up 0.68%, the DAX at 0.86% and the CAC closing positive at 0.86%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was 0.96% and the Hang Seng 0.16%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.